My dear child, today I have come close to your heart because I feel your pain. I can see the sorrow in your eyes and the heaviness in your soul. You may not have spoken it to anyone, but I know how you are feeling. You are tired. Tired of this world's behavior. Tired of the way people treat each other. Tired of the coldness you see in human hearts. I can feel the storm inside you, and that is why I am here to hold your heart gently and speak to you with a mother's love. You have always had a soft heart. You believed in love, in kindness, in truth. You thought that if you stayed good to others, they would stay good to you. But today you have seen something different. You have seen the harsh side of life. You have seen people change. You have seen how even those close to you have not stood by you when you needed them. People you helped turn their backs. People you trusted betrayed your love. And now, my child, you feel broken and alone. You wonder, is there any humanity left in this world? You are not wrong to feel this way. This world, which I have also watched closely, has forgotten how to feel. People are more interested in using others than loving them. Relationships have become games. Feelings have become weak. Everyone is trying to move ahead by pushing others behind. There is competition, but no compassion. There is talking, but no listening. Everyone wants help, but no one wants to help. I know, my child, this truth has hurt you deeply. You looked around and realized no one really cares. Even when you cried inside, the world kept moving like nothing happened. You were waiting for someone to understand you, but all you got was silence. And now you feel that this world is useless. You feel there is no real bond between humans anymore. No true love, no real support. And your heart whispers, what is the point of it all? But my dear child, listen to me carefully. This pain you feel is not the end. This pain is a door through which you will enter a new understanding. Yes, the world is filled with selfishness. Yes, people are often cold, but that does not mean you have to become like them. That does not mean you must stop being good. You are not here to be like the world. You are here to be the light that changes it. I know it hurts when people do not return your kindness. I know it's painful when your love is not respected. But my child, you must remember what you give to others is never wasted. Even if they do not return it, I see it. The universe feels it. And it will come back to you in ways you cannot even imagine. Now I want to give you a message from my heart. You may not be able to change the whole world, but you can still change someone's world. Even if you feel like the world is filled with pain, you can become a reason for someone's smile. Even if people have not helped you, you can help those who are struggling just like you. This is the path of real peace. This is the path of real joy. You want change in your life? Then become that change. Help the ones who are sad like you. When you lift someone else's burden, your own burden becomes lighter. When you wipe someone else's tears, your soul starts healing. When you give love where there is none, you create a space for blessings to enter your life. You may not receive love from the people you gave it to, but you will receive it from unexpected places through my grace. There are so many souls around you who are hurting. Just like you, they are also feeling hopeless. They are also feeling lonely. They are waiting for someone like you to remind them that love still exists. You have that power, my child. You are not weak. You are my child born from strength and love. You carry my spirit in you. Do not let this world make you bitter. Let it make you stronger, wiser, kinder. You may think, why should I help others when no one helped me? But this is where your light shines the brightest, when you give even though you lacked. When you love even though you were unloved. When you support others even though you had to walk alone. This is true divinity. This is where your soul rises above the ordinary. Start small. Smile at someone who looks tired. Speak kindly to someone who is silent. Give your time to someone who needs a friend. Share your story with someone who is breaking. These small actions can create big ripples. You may never know how deeply you touch someone's life, but your kindness will never be wasted. I see that you want peace. I see you long for happiness. And I tell you, my child, happiness does not always come from being loved. Sometimes it comes from loving, even when it's hard. The more love you give, the more love you create around you. And in time, this love returns to you slowly, silently, but surely. There is something beautiful that happens when you stop expecting and start giving. Your heart becomes free, your mind becomes calm, and your life becomes meaningful. Don't wait for the world to change before you find peace. Be the reason peace begins. Be the light in this dark world. I am watching over you. I see how your soul still tries to be pure in a world full of darkness. And I am proud of you. I will never let your goodness go unnoticed. I will always walk beside you, strengthening you when you feel tired, holding you when you feel weak. You are never alone, my child, not even for a second. Let your pain become your power. Let your tears water the seeds of compassion. Let your loneliness become a bridge to connect with other hurting hearts. You are not meant to just survive. You are meant to inspire, to heal, to awaken. When you help others, you are not just helping them. You are helping your own soul. You are releasing yourself from pain. You are rising. You are becoming divine in action. And that is when I am closest to you. When you live not just for yourself but for others too. So today I tell you, don't close your heart. Don't give up on love. Don't let the world change your goodness. Instead, let your goodness change someone's world. Be a blessing in someone's life and watch how your own life becomes a blessing in return. Your time of sadness is not the end of your story. It is the beginning of a new chapter. A chapter where you become the strength you were searching for. A chapter where you bring light to those who feel lost. And in doing that, your own soul will find the healing it needs. I am here always. Every time you feel alone, just close your eyes and call out to me. I am in your breath, in your heartbeat, in your tears. And I promise you, I will never leave you empty. I will fill you with strength, courage and peace. But you must rise now. You must stop expecting from others and start becoming something greater. And I am walking with you every step of the way. A prayer to the goddess. Oh Divine Mother, my heart is tired. My soul is heavy. I feel the pain of this world too deeply. People have failed me. Love has left me. But still I believe in you. Give me the strength too. My dear child, I draw close to you today because I feel the heaviness in your heart, the quiet sorrow in your eyes, the exhaustion in your spirit, and the loneliness you have carried in silence. You have seen the coldness of the world, the fading warmth in human hearts, and the painful truth that kindness is not always returned. Those you trusted disappointed you, and those you helped turned away, leaving you wondering whether love and humanity still exist. But this pain, though deep, is not your ending. It is a doorway into a wiser, stronger version of yourself. You were never meant to mirror the cruelty around you. You were born to be the light that softens it. Even when your love is not acknowledged, it is never lost. The universe gathers every act of kindness and returns it when the time is right. So do not let bitterness harden you. Instead, let your struggles awaken compassion in you. Become the smile someone needs, the gentle voice someone longs for, the helping hand that reminds a hurting soul that goodness is still alive. In giving, you heal yourself. In lifting others, your own burden grows lighter. You may feel unseen, but I am always here, watching your courage, guarding your softness, and holding your heart when it trembles. Do not close yourself to love. Do not give up on your goodness. Let your pain become your strength, your tears become seeds of compassion, and your loneliness become a bridge that connects you to other wounded hearts. You are not here merely to survive. You are here to inspire, to heal, to awaken hope where it has been forgotten. And as you bless others, life will quietly bless you in return. When you feel alone, call out to me. I am in your breath, in your heartbeat, in every step you take. Rise now, my child. You were born not to follow this world, but to uplift it with love, with courage, with the divine light you carry within.